EGA has more than 40 years of experience in the design, manufacture and marketing of refrigerated, isothermal and parcel vans. In 2013, we became part of the Lecitrailer Group. Since then, we have increased our production fivefold and developed our international market to achieve a global presence. We have spacious 28,600 square meter facilities, 17,200 square meters of which are for production and after sales. Our strong commitment to innovation and continuous improvement has earned us the major quality certifications, both nationally and internationally. The result of this continuous effort has materialized into vehicles that guarantee greater durability and reliability with lower maintenance costs throughout their useful life. With dedication and future vision, EGA Lecitrailer has developed over the years to become what it is today, a leading firm in sandwich panel manufacturing technology and body construction. Our extensive range of vehicles and the possibility of carrying out special, custom-made projects allow us to respond to any transport need for both urban deliveries as well as intercity or long-distance routes. Our entire product range of isothermal, refrigerated and parcel vans is designed to be sold in kits, assembled bodies or mounted on a chassis. In order to provide the best service to our customers, we have an extensive sales network with branches and official dealers all over the world. Our technical sales service provides complete advice for product customization, guaranteeing total adaptation to the needs of each customer thanks to our extraordinary manufacturing flexibility. Our multilingual back office also provides the necessary international logistics service for dealing with land and sea transport of our kits. In the workshop, we carry out everything from repairs to spare parts supply, including the installation of refrigeration systems and lifting platforms. We take care of all the necessary formalities for the legalization of vehicles, as well as major alterations and ATP renewals. EGA Lecitrailer. More value for your bodies, more value for your customers.